On December 27, 1939, at 1:57 in the morning, a magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck eastern Turkey. The shaking lasted 52 seconds. Most of the people in the city of Erzincan were asleep when their homes collapsed on top of them. The buildings were made of mud, brick, and timber, materials that couldn't withstand the most powerful earthquake Turkey would experience in the 20th century. By morning, the initial death count was 8,000. Then, the temperature dropped. A blizzard rolled in. The thermometer fell to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Survivors trapped in the rubble froze to death before rescuers could reach them. Roads became impassable. Aid couldn't get through. By January 5th, nearly 33,000 people were dead. Some from the earthquake, many from the cold. Over 100,000 were injured. More than 116,000 buildings were destroyed. The damage was so complete that Erzincan was abandoned entirely. A new city was built 5 kilometers to the north, on ground the engineers hoped was safer. It was, for 53 years. Another earthquake struck Erzincan in 1992.